Welcome to my productivity setup. My name is Dan and I talk about finance, business, entrepreneurship, productivity, anything and everything that you need for your success. You are highly welcome to my channel. All the links to each of these items will be in the description box below. So kindly feel free to check it out. Do you want to have an excellent home office? You want your desk to be set up for productivity? Then welcome to the king of productivity. Mine started when I moved into my apartment and the only available table there for me to work was my dining table. I tried using the dining table to work, but after 2 to 3 days I knew that if I must be productive and efficient, this dining table usefulness will not take me to what I want. How can I work from home? How can I churn out series of YouTube videos on this glass table? I was like, there's a need for me to change and have a desk. By just seeing the desk, I'll be prepared to be productive. So I went through series of YouTube videos, checking out desk upon desk, setup upon setup. At the end, I concluded that I'm not going for something that's just beautiful or productive, but one that will combine both productivity and beauty. And that propelled me to go to IKEA website to order for a worktop. Ideally, a worktop is for a kitchen, but it can be built to a table, the king of productivity. So I got the pin-up worktop, walnut veneer, 186 by 3.86 cm. This worktop is long and I love it because of the length. This pin-up combines strength with beauty. So let's go get it. The worktop comes alone, but you can order for the legs. Some people use cupboards for the leg, but I want a flexible height, so I choose not to take the risk of using a cupboard of 70 cm because it may limit the height at which I will walk. I want to have flexibility. I want to be able to walk at different height as I choose to. Therefore, I went for the finvered trestle with chef white that has a minimum height of 71 cm with a maximum height of 93 cm. It can carry a maximum load of 25 kg and the width is 46 cm. What I love most about this white shelf is the flexibility of the height. I can have 71 cm, 81 cm, and even 91 cm. They are all easy for me to get just by adjusting the height of the trestle. And I also love that I can put some items on the space that's available. And I was like, yes, this is what I want. I got back home and I went to work. Do you want to see me working? Check it out. As you can see in the video, I have to build it myself from the beginning by following the instruction manual. Overall, it was an easy build, but I must confess, the first time I tried it, I made a mistake in fixing the legs, the right side of the leg to the left part, and put the left part of the leg to the right part. So after building the leg and thinking I'm done, I discovered that it was not perfect yet. So I had to readjust it. Wow, it's looking so beautiful now. So this is the end product. As you can see, I was so happy with myself. I was feeling myself. I did it. I did it. I did it. Following a similar fashion you do for the second leg. So when they were ready, I was so impressed. And I have to lay the worktop on it. But just wait a moment. What if the worktop is not steady on it? Ideally, the worktop will stay on it. But I took extra precaution by getting the foam tape. This foam tape is magical. The adhesiveness on that level. In fact, what's unique about it is adhesive on both sides. But I prefer to do it on one side, as you can see. Now that I have an excellent desk that's built for beauty and rigidity, you will agree with me that every desk needs an excellent chair to match it up. I work from home and I need a chair that will be comfortable for me to work with. That led me to get the home worker ergonomic office chair. From post to right, the ergonomic office chair is excellent for my working. Not only does it provide the sturdiness that I want, but it's highly flexible and comfortable. I don't know what it means to work and have neck pain or back pain anymore. I work at comfort. In fact, almost as if I prefer sitting on this chair than lying down on the bed. to tell you how efficient, excellent, and highly well built this chair is, the king of productivity. The desk and chair are excellent, but it does not end there. In fact, this is just the beginning. The next item is a monitor. I work from home, so I need a monitor that will enable me work from home efficiently. Equally, I'm a YouTuber. I need a monitor that can be able to allow me to work from home and churn out YouTube videos weekly. I believe in efficiency, so I got the Dell P2419H monitor. You can optimize your workspace with this efficient 24-inch monitor built with an ultra-thin bezel design, a small footprint, and comfort-enhancing features. Guys, I must confess, this monitor is on another level. It's not so big, it's not so small. It's just right for you to work efficiently. In fact, it was actually built for the workspace and is highly efficient with several features. I bought it with the keyboard, mouse, and receiver so that the synchronization will be on 1000% level. And yes, it happened as I got the Dell wireless keyboard and mouse KM63 Black. This is designed with sleek lines, a compact size, and chiclet keys. The Dell wireless keyboard and mouse KM636 offers a contemporary and comfortable design with the convenience of wireless performance. I am not a fan of cables. I love wireless design, and this keyboard mouse comes with this universal USB receiver that's very proficient in working. The synchronization is on another level. The speed is what I've not seen before. Goodness, I must praise Dell for it. I never knew that Dell items were as excellent as this. Kudos to Dell. Keep it up. What I love so much is the wireless working. I don't like having clogs of wires, chains of wires all over my workspace. I love it neat, beautiful, and clean. And this Dell equipment answered my questions. The monitor supports USB-C, which means that the monitor charges my laptop. File transfer, audio transfer, music transfer. Hey, do you want to transfer me out of my productivity setup? That's how efficient the transfer is. So guys, let's get a million views in this video by you just smashing the like button now. Thank you for doing that. A good environment comes with an excellent laptop. We all know that. I have two laptops, as you can see. One is for my work PC and the other one is for personal use. The work PC is HP EliteBook A30G6 with Core i5 13.3 inch. It's an 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor and has an integrated Intel UHD graphic 622. It's very similar to the second laptop, which is the Pavilion 360 with Intel Core i5, 80 gram, 256 gig SSD, 14-inch touchscreen, and both of them are silver color. My efficiency at work is goodness. Why are you so productive? When you have an excellent workspace, your brain starts working at a speed higher than 1 terabyte, higher than what you can imagine. In fact, you'll be surprised that you are the one that's been as efficient as this. Having two laptops with a monitor, they are good, but you will agree with me that they can occupy the whole space, even though the table is long. Therefore, I got the Omoton vertical laptop stand. It's adjustable, upgraded, double space desktop holder stand, and they make the space compact. So I decided to add some peripherals to take the beauty of the setup to a different level. I got the artificial potted plant. This is the IKEA potted plant that's very popular among YouTubers, especially tech YouTubers. I am a finance YouTuber, but I got it because I love green, and having a green plant close to you improve your learning and brain functioning. By just seeing it, it calms your heart down to be more productive, and green makes you think creatively. So I didn't get it in order to belong, I got it to be more productive. I'm a fan of plant. I'm a fan of green investment, green space, and green environment. So I got the leafy MONSTERA plant. This plant so far has been wonderful and is nearly in all my videos. I use different kinds of pen. Red, black, blue, black, and I can't allow it to be lying on the floor. So I got a ceramic deck pen holder for putting this pen. This pen holder brings a different kind of beauty to the setup. Once there's a pen, of course, what will I expect next? I call this notepad my YouTube Bible. It's a Bible of my YouTube ideas. Everything and anything about my YouTube is thick and excellently designed. I was the one that attached the Apple logo to it, just for clarification. You agree with me so far? I'm not someone that dropped my item on the floor. I love it design and beautiful. So even my phone, I got a phone holder for it. The excellent thing about this phone holder is that it's an amplifier. So if you have this phone holder, you may not need to buy a speaker. It amplifies your phone sound. It's well built and so far so good. Sometimes you may not want to hear your videos or phone loudly. I use the Plantronics headset. This headset has noise cancelling effect. It makes voice to sound clean and sweet. I've been using it for over a year now and it's still as good as the day that I got it. I highly recommend it. One excellent thing about this headset is that it's highly flexible. The microphone is highly flexible. There's no left, there's no right. Extremely flexible. Let me show you my mouse pad. Green again. I'm a fan of green. In fact, maybe I should paint the wall green. So I got my mouse pad. It's a wooden mouse pad, but the other side is blue. This mouse pad sticks very well to the desk. It's smooth and hold the mouse very well without the mouse sliding. I know some of you are interested in what's in the background. You can see it is the relaxed design piece. I am set up for extreme productivity, so I need something to calm me down at times because the way the desk is set up is work. So I tried to get this relaxed piece to tell me, hey, I know your desk is designed for productivity, but still relax. Take it easy. At the background, you can see the pyramid is a crystal iridescent pyramid with gift box rainbow colors. Sparkle crystal home office ornaments decoration 3.9 inch. Just to add an extra layer of beauty to my setup. So since you are able to watch this video to this point, I'll give you a bonus, which is my Samsung TV. It's a crystal UHD 4K HDR smart TV. I use it for the background of my YouTube videos. It will mean so much for me and my channel for this video to get 1 million views, and it can only be possible if you like this video now. So please like this video so that I keep showing more and more of my productivity setup. Thank you guys for watching my video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be in the comment section to answer any question you have or any comment you have about the setup. Thank you guys. You are just the best.